Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OMNICYCLONE promises unparalleled autonomous cleaning, but can its monstrous 22,000 pascals suction and ZeroTangle claims truly deliver, or is it just another expensive gadget? We'll dive deep into its features, performance, and value to help you decide if this robot vacuum and mop is the cleaning revolution your home needs or an overpriced disappointment. Stick around for the honest truth. So, what exactly are we talking about here? The ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OMNICYCLONE is a cutting-edge robotic vacuum and mop system, representing the pinnacle of automated home cleaning technology available today. Manufactured by ECOVACS, a global leader known for its innovative smart home robotics, this device is engineered to completely liberate you from the mundane, time-consuming chores of floor cleaning. It's designed to tackle every conceivable floor mess, from microscopic dust particles and stubborn pet dander to sticky spills and deeply ingrained stains, offering a comprehensive, entirely hands-free solution. The X12 OMNICYCLONE excels particularly in larger homes with diverse flooring types, promising consistently pristine floors without you having to lift a finger or engage in any significant post-cleaning maintenance. Its integrated bagless cleaning station intelligently manages both dust collection and mop water, making it a true all-in-one cleaning powerhouse that centralizes all aspects of maintenance for ultimate user convenience and peace of mind. Let's dive into the core features that make the X12 stand out, and more importantly, why they matter to you. First, the blast 22,000 pascals suction power. This isn't just a big number, it means serious cleaning power. It picks up deeply embedded pet hair, fine dust, and larger debris from both carpets and hard floors. For you, this translates to genuinely clean floors, eliminating the need for follow-up manual vacuuming. Next, the OMNICYCLONE Bagless Station with OZMO Roller Instant Self-Washing. True automation. The Bagless Station saves money on dust bags and reduces maintenance. Its OZMO roller system automatically cleans and dries mop pads, preventing mildew and ensuring every mop pass is hygienic. Less manual interaction, consistently fresh floors. Third, FocusJet Pre-Spray technology. A game changer for mopping. The X12 pre-sprays the floor before the mop passes, softening stubborn stains for easier removal. This delivers deeper, more effective mopping performance on hard floors, tackling sticky spots that usually require manual scrubbing. Fourth, ZeroTangle brush. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.